If you have missed Bitcoin at $1, Ethereum at $5, this might just be your second chance. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 of the most undervalued cryptocurrency that you can buy right now. This could be a life-changing opportunity. And again, it is not a financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. Stick to the end of this video. I'm sure you're going to love the content. Number 1, XRP. I can easily say with confidence that XRP is the most undervalued cryptocurrency in the entire crypto market right now. And it's not because of the speed of the transaction or how bullish people are talking about it, but because of the solution it's bringing to the current financial industry. Right now, XRP is sitting at $2.80 with the current market price of $167 billion. Again, that is a lot of money. But compared to the solution it's bringing to one of the biggest issues that our financial system have, I think it's gonna go way more than that. So one of the reasons why I think XRP is the most undervalued, first, we have currently over 7 ETF applications that are still pending at the moment, and it's gonna get more likely approved by October. If you do a quick search on ChatGPT, what is the price prediction? If the ETF of XRP gets approved, it's going to give you a conservative price between $3 and $5. It's going to give you a moderate price between $5 to $8. It's going to give you a bullish price prediction between $10 and $16. And of course, it's going to give you extreme bullish price between $20 and over $50. And those ETF could get approved by just October. So just think about it. It could double X your money by October or triple X your money by just October. This is not a financial advice. It's just my personal opinion or my price prediction. In my opinion, the price could range between $5 and $16 if those ETF when those ETF gonna get approved, because it's gonna get approved. It's just an amount of time when it would get approved. And that is one of the reasons. Second reason why I think it is one of the most undervalued cryptos, because of the solution it's bringing to the market. So currently, to send money with your bank, it could take days internationally. If you want to send money, it could take days, weeks, or even months. XRP is coming with the solution to have those transactions settled with just 1 to 5 seconds. That's a huge improvement compared to the current system that we use that could take days, weeks, or even months. And we know it's going to depend with the amount of money that you're sending and the relationship of your bank and the other bank that's where you're sending your money to. It's going to depend on that. But again, to just have a transaction completed take days or weeks or even months, and to have a technology that's solving the issue by having the transaction settled in just 1 to 5 seconds, that's a huge improvement. And of course, banks gonna love them. That is even the reason why Ripple XRP have right now over 300 partnership with financial institutions. They have a relationship with banks and other financial institutions. And again, it's over 300 partnership. Why should those banks or financial institutions choose to be in partnership with XRP? Because they have tested XRP and love the product or love the solution that they're bringing. That's why they partner with them. And again, we even have an update of the new financial system standard, the ISO 20022, and it's showing we have many crypto that's going to be compliant with that standard, and XRP is also one of them. And I think XRP is going to be one of the biggest crypto that's going to handle all of those transactions with the new financial system, just because they have already over 300 partnership with financial institutions or banks. There is no other cryptos or crypto company that have those amount of partnership with other financial institutions. And if we have to do the math, for example, this current system, Swift current system, handle about $5 trillion per daily. Again, that's just $5 trillion daily. If you have to do the math annually, it's going to go over 100 trillion. It's no billion, over 100 trillion dollars annually. If you have to do the math, if we can just capture 5 trillion, or let's just the market cap of XRP go to 5 trillion, we're gonna have an estimate price between about what, about $90 or even $100 of price of the price of XRP. Right now it's just sitting at $2.80, and it could go up to 100 in a couple of years. We even have the CEO of XRP saying that they will be able to handle 14% of the current SWIFT system in the just next 5 years. The CEO say they're going to be able to handle, meaning they already have those agreements that they're going to start handling those transactions. That's why he said that they could handle about 14% in the next 5 years. He even gave the date. So just think about it. If you do the maths, it's going to be about $7 billion. If you do 5 trillion and you take 14%, it could be about 7 billion or around $7 billion daily. So that is a lot of money that's going to be transacting in the XRP ecosystem. And of course, the price will not stay currently at $2.80. It's going to pass way over $50 when all of those things going to happen. And that's why I think XRP is one of the most undervalued cryptocurrency in the entire crypto market right now, and you should take advantage of that. Number 2, XLM. XLM is one of the most undervalued cryptocurrency also because they're trying to solve cross-border payments issue also. It's pretty different compared to XRP, but it's also similar. They have the same co-founder, which is Jed McCaleb. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name correctly, but that is the name of the co-founder of XLM. He was working with XRP. He was the co-founder of XRP also. They have just different direction of their goals. So XLM is more focused on individuals trying to solve the unbanking to have access to the digital market. XRP is more focused to the financial institution. They're trying to provide the financial institution a solution to the problem that they have. So XLM is more focused to the individuals, and they want to make the transaction faster. Just like you are sending an email to somebody who lives in a different country, they want to make that easier that way. So, and again, they have currently a lower market cap. So the current price right now, it's about 35 cents with the market cap of about $11 billion. So the market cap is very small. So meaning if you have to invest right now, you have better returns because their market cap is lower. And they are also compliant with the new financial system standard that we have, which is the ISO 20022. XLM is also compliant with that standard, meaning banks will be able to use XLM with their transactions, so which gonna also increase the price of XLM significantly. So just think about it. If Dogecoin, who was just a meme coin, the last bull market, the market cap of Dogecoin reached about $80 billion. Again, it was just a meme coin. It's reached about $80 billion. XLM, right now they're sitting at 11 billion. I can easily say that the market cap of XLM gonna go way over 100 billion. So if we have to do the math, if the price, for example, the market cap of XLM go to 110 billion, with the circulating supplier that they have about 35 billion coin. If you do the math, 110 billion divided by the circulating supply of 31 billion, we're gonna have a price between $3.47 or $3.40. That is the price we're gonna have of XLM. And again, that's 10x your money. So that's why I think this is also one of the most undervalued, because it has the same potential as XRP, but with lower market cap, giving you a higher potential to have better returns. Number 3 is Hedera or HBAR. It is one of the most undervalued cryptocurrency in my opinion. Just right now it's sitting at 21 cents with the market cap of 9 billion, but the technology is significantly faster and even more secure compared to the blockchain technology. So Hedera uses a different technology compared to most of the cryptocurrency. It uses hash graph. Most of the cryptocurrency use the blockchain. So we are talking about here up to Hedera is able to handle up to 10,000 transactions per second. That's very fast, and it's very secure. And it's even more decentralized because it's run by major corporations like Google, LG, Dell, Standard Bank, and even much more companies that you already know. And one of the best things also, I think, why it is also undervalued, they are also compliant with the new financial system standard, which is the ISO 20022. Hedera also is compliant to that system, meaning banks will be able to use them for their transactions. And you can see by yourself why I think it is significantly undervalued, because they're able to handle up to 10,000 transactions per second. Banks will use them. You believe it or not, it's gonna happen. And it's right now sitting at just 21 cents. And the market cap is like what? 9 billion. If we have just to compare that to Dogecoin, who was just a meme coin with no utilities, it was just a meme coin. It's able to reach $80 billion for the market cap in the last bull market. I really think Hedera can go way beyond that. It could easily go to 100 billion. So if we have to do the math, 100 billion divided by the circulating supplier, again, let's just do the math based on the maximum supplier, which is 50 billion. It's gonna give us the price about $2. So just think about it. Well, right now it's like 21 cents. The price could reach over $2 or $3 in my opinion. And again, you could 10x your money or 20x your money, 21x your money. So I think it is one of the most undervalued cryptocurrency, you believe it or not. The technology is fast and secure. I'm sure it's gonna really do well because of the technology and the solution that they're bringing in the market. And that is why I think it is one of the most undervalued cryptocurrency. Number 4 is Kaspa. Kaspa is one of the most undervalued cryptocurrency that you can buy right now. It's currently just sitting at 7 cents with the market cap of about $2 billion. So it has a high potential of growth. Just think about it, it was launched just in 2021. So if we have to do the math since the launching time up to the price that we have currently, we have about 40,000% growth. So if you have invested in Kaspa since 2021, you could have 400x your money with the current price that we have right now. Just think about it. You could have 400x just in 4 years. It's currently sitting at about 2 billion market cap, and it's not even listed to most of the major crypto exchanges. It's currently listed on Kraken and some of the small crypto exchanges, but it's not available on Binance, it's not available on crypto.com, it's not available on Coinbase. So if you have to check, most of the crypto that get listed to those major crypto exchanges, they usually have a growth about 20% to 200% in the next like 24 hours to 48 hours from that crypto being listed on those exchanges. So just think about it. If you have to invest now, you could have double your money or triple your money just by getting Kaspa listed to those major crypto exchanges. Kaspa is pretty similar to Bitcoin. So it's a proof of work. So you can mine Kaspa just like you can mine Bitcoin. I can easily say it's like a better version of Bitcoin because it have fast transaction speed compared to Bitcoin. Kaspa can handle about 10 blocks every 1 second, but Bitcoin can only handle about 1 block every 10 minutes. Just see the difference, it's huge. But again, Kaspa is very secure also, and it is fast. It could be used as a payment to buy any product online. It could be used as a payment. And one of the reason also I think why it is undervalued, let's just do the comparison. For example, Kaspa have better technology compared to Dogecoin. Dogecoin is just a meme coin, and I know Dogecoin have become more than a meme coin, but again, Kaspa have better technology compared to Dogecoin. But Kaspa is currently just sitting at 2 billion. Dogecoin is currently sitting about $32 billion. So that's a huge difference. So I can easily see Kaspa going about 40 billion pretty easily, in my opinion. It can easily do that. Again, that's gonna just be about 20x. So if we have to do the maths, if the Kaspa goes to about $40 billion for the market cap, the price of a Kaspa could go between $1.60 to $2. I can easily see Kaspa do that. In my opinion, it can 20x your money this bull run, and I really think it is one of the most undervalued crypto. Number 5 is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is the most trusted meme coin in the entire crypto market. It was the first meme coin that have ever been created, and it has made a lot of millionaires, of course. So Dogecoin is currently sitting at just 23 cents with the current market price of $35 billion. Again, it seems to be pretty large, but I can easily say it's way low compared to where Dogecoin could go. The last bull market, Dogecoin, at the all-time high, the market cap was about $88 billion. So just think about it. Right now, it's like almost 3 times less than the all-time high price that we have. So I can easily see Dogecoin going to over $150 billion as market cap. With the $150 billion market cap, the price of Dogecoin is going to be about $1. But I can easily see Dogecoin go way over $1 in my opinion. So another reason why I think Dogecoin is undervalued. So if you check most of the places that accept cryptocurrency as a payment, they usually have also Dogecoin as a crypto that they accept. And there is a lot of even ATM machine that have Dogecoin that you could withdraw your Dogecoin or even buy Dogecoin with that. So it is the most trusted meme coin in the entire crypto market. And just think about it. If the last bull market, it was not as big compared to this bull market that we're gonna have here, just because a lot of people know about the crypto industry right now. A lot of people are investing into the crypto industry right now compared to the last bull run that we have. So I really think if Dogecoin could go, went over $80 billion, the last bull market, I can really see it go way over 150 billion with the price of $1 per Dogecoin. I can easily see that happening with Dogecoin. So I hope this video was valuable to you. So if you liked the video, please click the like button. If you want to leave any comments or if you have any question, leave the question in the comment section, and if I have time, I'm going to answer all of them, or even make another video if I think the comment section, the comment that you made is really interesting. And please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and peace.